Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you how to recover deleted apps on Android in a simple and easy way. If you've ever uninstalled an app by mistake or can't remember the name of an app you used before, this method will really help you. Go to Google Play Store app. The Play Store is your main control hub where you download, update, and manage all of your apps. Next, tap on your Google profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Manage Apps and Device. This section allows you to view and control all apps connected to your Google account. Now, go to the Manage tab. Here, you'll see an option that says This Device. Tap on it and change the filter to Not Installed. This is an important step because it shows all the apps that were previously installed on your phone but are currently deleted. After that, scroll through the list to find the apps you want to restore. You can also use the search option if the list is long. Simply select the apps, then tap the download or install button to recover them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.